Revue, I'm from Brooklyn, and these are my boys from the Navy here. We've been stationed out here in the South Pacific, you know, and you think life is easy out here? Nah, forget about it. I mean, yeah, we got the sailors out here and all the dandy games and stuff, but come on, let's tell these people what we don't got.
Sunlight on the sand, we got moonlight on the sea, we got mangoes and bananas you can pick right off a tree. We got volleyball and ping pong and a lot of baby games. What ain't we got? We ain't got dames. We get packages from home, we get movies, we get shows, we get speeches from our skipper and advice from Tokyo Rose. We get letters, dozen pointed, we get dizzy from the smell. What don't we get? You know darn well. We got nothing to put on a clean wet suit for. What we need is what there ain't no substitute for.
That is in any way, shape, or form like any other.
There's nothing like a day, nothing in the world. There is nothing you can name that is anything like a day. There are no books like a day, and nothing looks like a day. There are no drinks like a day, and nothing thinks like a day.
Thanks a lot there, guys. That was really pretty good. You know, these guys have been sailing for a while. They've been out to sea, and